Okay, manong kalikot. Sisimulan natin, lalagyan natin ang slow jet. Yan natin. Ito ay para sa cb750 1979. This is for 1979 cb750. We're gonna try to put a jet. I have a hard time looking for a jet 80. So I have no choice. I had to make my own. So if you didn't look at the old video, you can see DIY how to make one or how to re-drill it. Ito nga pala yung pinakamaliit kong drill bit. Pinakamaliit na 1/16. Kailangan ko pambuli ng mas maliit na 0.80. 0.80, I'm sorry. Look, nakita nyo naman kumpara. Hindi na nga magkasya sa drill. Wow, hindi mahigpitan sa drill dahil masyadong maliit. Oh, tignan mo, dolo-dolo na yan, ha? It's so small, it wouldn't even go. Well, it went, but still loose because of that's how small it is. But I even have a smaller one. I don't know if you can see that. 0.05. Oh my god. But anyways, so we're gonna put this on. We're gonna keep it in the video. Let's take this out. Where's my yep, found it right there. All right, excuse my video. Let's take this big boy out. One. This one. All right, I'll give you guys an update. All right, let me take everything out first. Bottom.